This is one of my good friend Sam's houses. Sam and Jenny and Joseph and Colin and Colin's mom.
And then look at the dude who stayed on the
And
roof.
my zombie!
they had
There's a unicorn right here.
there was a unicorn right there.
It's just the roof.
The damage was the roof.
What is it? What kind of interview is this?
There's still a guy on the roof. He did
So
not die.
if y'all could rebuild this, what new material would you use?
What new material? All we would do is we would use better glue. We would just use better glue, and you know that's about it.
And we would probably use more rubber cement on the people.
Let's see the backyard.
We would use better glue to hold the people down, and we might, you know, use the roof a little better. But other than that, we do it the same way we did.
Yeah, there's the pool. It's a pretty good pool. And right here, there was a patch of zombies. I don't know if you can see that.
Oh, where's the Halo dude? Oh, he flew away. I want to keep the Halo. Go find the Halo dude.
On our house, if you see it down there was a kid that was on top of the roof. He is still not known to be missing or just dead. I'm sorry to say.